Greetings travelers! On this video, we want to represent to you our top choice or place to go to while in Paris. I am certain that the very moment when I mention Paris, the first thing that pop up in your mind would probably be the Eiffel Tower. Our list today will be other popular suggestions besides the Eiffel Tower, since the tower has been the very obvious choice of a place to visit. Are you new to this channel? We would like to greet you welcome. And if you are a regular subscriber, we would like to greet you welcome back. Please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel and give us a big thumbs up. And make sure to check our other video reference on the link above. Now without further ado, our number one top choice or place to visit while in Paris will be the Luxembourg Palace. Located in the 6th arrondissement of Paris, was originally built in the 1600s and has been the seat of the upper house of various French national legislatures. The west wing of the palace is the residence of the Senate president. The palace comprises of 25-hectare garden decorated with statues, ponds, where children can sail their model boats. This palace was erected by the order of Mary de Medici, the widow of Henry IV. After her husband's passing, Mary decided to have a new palace for herself. Our number two top choice or place to go to while in Paris will be Garden of the Rue de Vaugirard, located in the 16th arrondissement of Paris, right by the Seine and Pont de Lona. The garden features 12 fountains, creating columns of water 12 meters high, with 24 smaller other fountains 4 meters high. Facing the Seine, there are 20 water cannons that can jet it up the water up to 50 meters. There are 32 cascades that can jet it out water up to 4 meters high. The fountain has been functioning since 2011. The garden has an area of 93,000 square meters. Our number three top choice or place to go to while in Paris is at Jardin de Paris, which is the Royal Garden or the Botanical Garden of Paris. Comprised of 28 hectares of land. The ground of the Jardin includes 4 buildings containing exhibited specimens. The first building will be the Gallery of Evolution, followed by the Gallery of Minerals, followed by the Gallery of Geology, and the Gallery of Paleontology and Comparative Anatomy Museum in the ground floor and the Paleontology Museum in the first and second floor. Gallery of Botany contains Botany, laboratory, and French Museum National Herbarium, the biggest in the world with a collection of 8 million samples. Our number 4 top choice will be the Louvre Museum, the world's largest art museum and well known to house the very famous Mona Lisa painting. Located on the right of Seine on 1st arrondissement, holds 38,000 objects from prehistory to the 21st century, exhibited on 72,000 square meters. There are 8 departments. The first is Egyptian antiquity, followed by Near Eastern antiquity, the Greek, the Etruscan, the Roman antiques, the Islamic art, the sculptures, the decorative arts, paintings, prints and drawings. It is the world's most visited museum, averaging 15,000 visitors per day, 65% from overseas. our number 5th choice will be Ile Saint-Louis, which is one of 2 natural islands in Seine, Paris. The Ile Saint-Louis is connected to the rest of Paris by 4 bridges: Pont Saint-Louis, Pont de la Tournelle, Pont Louis-Philippe, Pont Marie, Pont Sully, and Rue de Vaugirard. Located within the 4th arrondissement of Paris, this isle holds one of the most expensive properties in Paris, with properties starting from $4 million. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video as much as we have enjoyed making it. Please check out as well our other videos and our Instagram, Scenic.Geek. Until next time, bye!